What if I told you the absolute wildest, most badass factory chopper in motorcycle history just got a secret? SCI Phi level resurrection? Forget what you think you know about traditional cruisers, because something absolutely insane is lurking in the shadows of Japan. Right now, the custom chopper world has been begging for a true savior. And rumor has it the beast has finally been unleashed. We are talking about a machine so radical, so aggressive and so unbelievably slick, that it looks like it rolled straight out of a futuristic cyberpunk movie. Welcome back to AMA Auto, the only channel on the platform that consistently feeds your addiction with the freshest, most exclusive motor news on the planet. Today, we are breaking down the mind-blowing rumor and concept design that is setting the entire motorcycle community on fire. The legendary 2027 Honda Fury concept. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and catch every single 2027 release before anyone else, hit that subscribe button right now. Smash the notification bell and share this video with your ride crew, because this one is truly special. We're diving deep into how Honda took a cult classic, ripped up the rulebook, and rebuilt it with the most insane, bleeding-edge performance features known to man. Let's be brutally honest for a second about the current motorcycle landscape for the last few years. The market has been flooded with look-alike street fighters, soulless commuters and heavy baggers that cost as much as a small house. Real, undeniable head-turning chopper attitude, the kind that makes pedestrians stop in their tracks and stare. Seemed like a dying art form, reserved only for custom builders charging six figures. But Honda looked at that void, smiled, and decided it was time to remind everyone who really owns the pavement over the next few minutes. We are taking you on a high-octane ride through the epic history of the Fury, breaking down the raw, jaw-dropping performance specs of the 2027 concept and uncovering the futuristic tech Honda is secretly packing between those wheels. We want this to be an interactive ride, so pay close attention to the crazy engine upgrades we are about to reveal by the end of this video. We need you to drop into the comments and give us your uncensored opinion on whether this new design is a total hit or a misbuckle up. Tap that like button, and let's get right into the evolution of a legend. To truly appreciate the insanity of the 2027 concept, we have to rewind the clock to the year 2009, when Honda did the unthinkable. Back then, major Japanese manufacturers were known for practical, reliable and sensible machines, leaving the wild custom chopper styling to niche American garages. Then out of nowhere, Honda dropped the original Fury at the International Motorcycle Show, and the entire industry collectively gasped. It was the very first factory-built chopper from a major global brand, boasting an outrageous 32-degree rake and a stretched-out hardtail silhouette that looked straight out of a custom shop. Cycle World. What made the original Fury an instant legend wasn't just its radical, low-slung attitude or that massive 200 series rear tire. It was the fact that it actually worked. Traditional custom choppers were notorious for terrible handling, bone-shaking vibrations and breaking down every 50 miles. Honda shattered that curse by dropping a bulletproof 1,312 cubic centimeter V-twin engine into a chassis that handled like an absolute dream. It was the ultimate cheat code. Custom biker clout paired with legendary Honda reliability that started every single morning, without fail over the next decade. The Fury built an intensely loyal cult following across American highways and beyond. Riders fell in love with its low seat height, its throaty exhaust note, and the undeniable road presence that made it look like a $30,000 custom build for a fraction of the price. However, as the years rolled on into the 2020s, while other bikes received massive tech updates, the Fury remained a frozen time capsule, carrying over virtually unchanged. Year after year, the die-hard fans were getting restless, constantly flooding forums and social media, asking Honda one simple question: when are we getting the evolution we deserve? Enter the 2027 Honda Fury concept, the absolute answer to over a decade of prayers, speculation and writer demands. This isn't just a simple paint update or a slight trim change. This is a comprehensive ground-up reimagining of what a factory chopper can be in the modern era. The designers apparently took the iconic, stretched-out skeleton of the original Fury and injected it with pure steroids, modern aerodynamics and next-generation metallurgy. The result is a concept machine that honors its heritage. While looking so aggressively futuristic, it makes everything else on the road look obsolete. When you lay eyes on the 2027 concept, the very first thing that hits you is the sheer visual drama of the front end. Honda has reportedly refined that signature rake, giving it an even more rakish, raked-out posture while utilizing lightweight forged aluminum and carbon fiber composite materials to reduce front-end weight. The teardrop fuel tank has been sculpted with sharper, more muscular contour lines that flow seamlessly into an ultra-low, hand-stitched solo saddle. It looks like a crouching predator waiting to pounce, radiating an aura of pure, unadulterated street attitude. The aesthetic upgrades on this 2027 concept are nothing short of breathtaking, merging old-school chopper soul with high-tech execution. Gone are the dated halogen bulbs replaced by a sleek, minimalist LED headlight array that integrates adaptive cornering, illumination right into a custom-styled housing. The rear end features an ultra-clean, floating fender design with integrated LED taillights and turn signals that become virtually invisible until you hit the brakes or flip the switch. Every single inch of exposed metal is either blacked out, with a durable satin finish, or polished to a mirror, chrome that catches the city lights like absolute jewelry. But let's talk about what is really getting everyone's blood pumping. The absolute beast of a powertrain. Sitting at the center of this frame, rumors surrounding the 2027 concept point to a heavily revamped, liquid-cooled V-twin engine that bumps the displacement up into the 14 to 15 cubic centimeter territory. Honda's engineers have been working overtime to extract massive, low-end torque while maintaining that signature, rhythmic V-twin pulse that chopper riders live for. We are talking about instant neck-snapping acceleration, the millisecond you twist the throttle, designed to dominate traffic and own the open highway. While the original Fury was built primarily for laid-back cruising, the 2027 concept is all about high-performance muscle. By incorporating advanced ride-by-wire throttle systems, re-engineered cylinder heads, and high-flow electronic fuel injection, this new engine is rumored to deliver a massive jump in both horsepower and raw torque. Imagine cruising at 70 miles per hour with so much passing power in reserve that an effortless flick of your wrist rockets you past semi-trucks like they are standing still. It's the perfect marriage of raw American-style cruising. Muscle engineered with Japanese precision and efficiency, a true chopper is judged as much by its sound as its looks. And Honda did not cut any corners here. The 2027 concept features a breathtaking re-engineered, stacked exhaust system that acts as a musical instrument for the street. Through clever internal acoustic tuning, Honda has managed to bypass restrictive emissions deadening to produce a deep, throaty, rumbling growl that reverberates right through your chest. It's loud enough to announce your arrival from a block away, yet refined enough to keep you comfortable during those all day. Cross-country road trips, let's be real. Traditional long, rake choppers are notorious for handling like loaded shopping carts whenever you hit a twisty road. But the 2027 Fury concept completely rewrites the laws of physics with a revolutionary suspension setup. The front end boasts beefed-up inverted forks with progressive damping, while the rear utilizes an advanced, hidden monoshock system with electronic preload adjustment.